Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change background color of command prompt on Windows 11. For this, click on this one start button, type CMD in the search results, right click on this one command prompt entry, select run as administrator, click yes in case Windows prompts. On the command prompt window, right click on the title bar and select here properties option. Now switch to this one colors tab and here you can select a desired color for your desktop background of command prompt. After selecting a color of your choice, you can see here preview. If you are satisfied with the selected color, click on this one OK button. This will change command prompt background color immediately.